Good day. In this video, I will cover the remaining topics in this chapter. Okay, yeah. So let me start with the introducing scalability. So scalability defines a site or application's ability to use additional resources on demand, and the site or application may scale up to utilize additional resources when the system is experiencing high user demand and may later scale down its resource usage when user demand declines. Examples I can think of will be like, let's say, you have some e-commerce products to sell, and then maybe before the Black Friday sales, there are all Christmas sales. You need more web servers to handle the big demands. So again, in that case, you can just request to set up more web servers to the cloud service provider. So that will be scale up. But then maybe let's say 1 week or 2 weeks after the Black Friday, then you know that you don't need to have so many servers anymore, right? So in that case, you can contact the service provider, say, hey, as of now, I just need maybe 2 servers. So that will be the example of scale down. Yeah, scale down. And again, other examples can be like maybe some kind of election coming up. So again, you need to have some website to provide a lot of kind of people's visitations there, right? Then again, you can scale down. But then maybe after the election, then you can inform the service provider, say, hey, I don't need to have so many web servers anymore, or database servers anymore. So that will be the example of scalability. And the ability for the cloud to scale up and down in this way on demand is described using the term cloud elasticity. Okay, yeah. So the term over here, elasticity is very important. So in other words, the cloud is said to be elastic, based upon its ability to scale. Okay, yeah. All right. So next one, this slide shows that cloud-based applications can scale up or down through the addition or removal of servers or disk storage capacity. So again, maybe before the let's say Black Friday sale, you just need this amount of resources. One server, maybe 5 terabytes of storage. That's it. But then when it comes to the Black Friday sales, then wow, you have more items to post there, right? And you might need a kind of another set of hardware and another set of storage as well. Okay, yeah. So this will be the example. Okay, yeah. Next one, talk about the introducing of the so-called virtualization. So you can think of virtualization as the use of hardware and or software to create the perception of something. For example, most servers have a CPU that is capable of running a specific operating system. Can be Windows, can be Linux, can be Macintosh, and such as Windows or Linux. However, by using special software, for example, like VirtualBox, Oracle's VirtualBox, Microsoft's virtual desktop software, or some commercial type VMware, then the server can be made to appear as if it has multiple CPUs and running the same or different kind of operating systems on it. Okay, so again, just one. Okay, let me go to the next picture here. Okay, so it is just like you have only one physical server. Okay, but then by using those special type of virtualization software, then you can install the same all different kind of operating systems on it. Okay, so it appears as if it has multiple CPUs. It has, I mean, and also it can run on different independent servers on the same physical computer. Okay, yeah. So this will be the example of the so-called server virtualization. I mean, you can use PC to do it, of course. I mean, a PC definitely the performance cannot be as fast or as powerful like a dedicated kind of server machine. Okay, yeah. All right, and then here will be some kind of operating systems, so you can set them up as servers. So we call them virtual servers. Okay, yeah. Next one, okay, yeah, okay. So next one will be again Microsoft's desktop virtualization software. Okay, so again, you can try it, no problem. But then the response time on those virtual operating systems will be definitely slower than a dedicated kind of server machine. Okay, yeah. So desktop virtualization allows a PC, personal computer, to run multiple operating systems simultaneously. Yeah. And then again, here will be again just a quick revisit of the big three public cloud providers, Amazon's web services provided by the Amazon company Amazon. The abbreviation will be AWS. Microsoft Azure, and then Google's cloud platform, GCP. So again, I mentioned it in this class, highly likely I will try different cloud services by using the Google Cloud platform. Again, free, okay, free. I mean, I have applied their service for education, and I believe they have grant me my request already. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So let me go back to the next one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so another term you might heard about it is called grid computing. Okay, so let's touch upon the topic. Okay, so collecting processing power through the so-called grid computing. Okay, so kind of think of before the I will skip the kind of the first paragraph over here. I mean, you can read it on your own. Okay, and I will also skip the last paragraph over here. Okay, so let's look at the second one. So before the advent of the cloud, developers sought ways to leverage the potential processing power of network computers. And the concept of grid computing is based on the fact that throughout the day, most personal computers have a spike use. So this means that when the user is active, the CPU utilization may grow to 30 to 50% of the processor's capacity. And when the user is not active, the CPU is idle. And often using, wow, I mean, just 1% or less of its processing capability. So it's just like, hey, if we have a way to kind of connect those network PCs together, wouldn't be nice, right? So grid computing breaks a complex task into smaller pieces that are distributed to CPUs where reside within a network. So it's like once you network all those PCs, so it's like a grid. Okay, yeah, like a grid. Okay, yeah. So that's why it's called a grid computing. Yeah, and then again, you can use some kind of specialized software to break a complex task into smaller pieces, and then each kind of PC to do the computation, and later on combine the result together. Okay, yeah. So grid computing is the large scale use of computers connected by a network, have to, okay, to connect by a network, we call it the grid, to perform parallel processing on complex tasks. And then again, you might heard about the term later on, robust. It means that it is the ability to function in the event of errors, such as a server failure. Okay, yeah. So kind of grid computing kind of has the ability to take care of that. Okay, yeah. And then security. Okay, so again, security risk. Okay, I mean, again, by using this grid computing, there is a security risk because each PC will run the code sent by kind of the specialized software, and you never know that whether the code is secure or not. Okay, yeah, is secure or not. Okay, so this is kind of the downside of the grid computing. Okay. All right, next one. Again, here will be just a quick review. Yeah. So we have talked about the three primary, all three common cloud services. There, right? The software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and the infrastructure as a service, IaaS. But then there are more. There are more. Yeah, so we will again throughout this text, you will examine other as of as a service offerings such as database as a service, DB, AAS. Disaster recovery as a service, DR, AAS. Call center as a service, CC, AAS. Identification as a service, ID, AAS, and more. There are really more. Okay. So when you encounter an something as a service solution, you should think of a cloud-based service for which the cloud service provider supplies the underlying resources and administers the underlying software as well. Okay, and then last one will be the summary. I'm not going to repeat the contents over here. You can pause the video and then read it, or you can read your book if you want to. Okay. And last one, here will be some key terms we have touched upon. Okay. So again, if you miss any of them, feel free to review the PowerPoint, or check out the contents in the book. Okay, yeah. All right, I think that will be all for this video. Okay, yeah.